Welcome to the new Morgan Trials. So it's been a while since we've posted a video, and we've actually gotten some questions on where have you been? Why have you not posted? Well, we've been busy with a project, Stacy's Jeep Platinum Barbie. So we've been working on this for about a year and a half now, which is part of why we haven't posted a lot. So we're going to take a slight pivot. We are still going to be posting taste tests, trying new alcohols, because that's what I do, but you're also going to see some of what we do otherwise. We've got some cool new paddle boards that go with this Jeep coming. We also have some amazing new content coming for some of the really cool customizations on this Jeep. So stay tuned for the next handful of episodes that are going to be really focused around this. But what we're going to do is we're going to have playlists. We're going to have taste tests playlists, alcohol playlists, and Platinum Barbie Jeep playlists. So stay tuned. And what we're doing right now, we're actually getting ready to upgrade Stacy's Jeep with some new Christian Ramirez designs, custom accessories for the Jeep Gladiator. They start with some stuff that we've actually already installed. Like you'll see these inner fender liners that kind of match her theme of a Barbie Jeep. So we've got the inner fender liners right here. We've got the fender insert right up here that's custom. Some amazing cowl armor right here. And then we've also got, back here in the back, we've got the rear inner fender liners that I feel like was a throwback to me. I don't know. But anyway, those are a few of the things, but stay tuned. We're going to showcase at the end. You're going to see the installations here, but you're going to see what the whole package and what this whole Jeep is all about. So stay tuned and watch this. That's it. Stacy did an amazing job.
We did an amazing job.
It was mainly her. All right, so that finishes the installation. And now, let's go show it off. All right, so we're at Caffeine and Octane in Kennesaw, Georgia. It's the largest monthly car show in the world with over about 2,000 cars and about 20,000 people every month. But now's a good time to showcase what have we done to this Jeep that we bought about a year and a half ago.
Hey everybody, so I just wanted to give you a kind of quick update on everything that we've done to Platinum Barbie here. I got the Jeep so that I could have something girly in my life, but still be off-road tomboy. Starting out first, we've got our Apex Badlands 12,000 pound winch on our body armor front bumper. We've got we're rocking infinite off-road lights and fog lights. Gotta rock the kink for it. So we've got our body armor fenders, allowing for our Christian Ramirez inner fender liners, custom designed for the Barbie Gladiator. This allows for our ReadyLift 4-inch suspension lift, our Fox 2.0 shocks with our Eaton Performance E-lockers, and we've got our JKSmfg quicker disconnects down here, and our Steer Smart stabilizer. So we had to re-gear to 5.13 to fit our Toyo 37-inch tires on our Heritage wheels, KOKORO Offroad Mono Cs. We've got custom two-tone colors on those. So moving further back, we've got our custom designed fender inserts along with our cowl armor to go along with our fender liners. Sitting on top is our ABW pod lights, pink and white pod lights. Moving to our DV8 rock rails. We will ultimately get this, even the top piece, custom designed. Body armor fenders again, into our matching Christian Ramirez Designs custom fender liners for our rears. And topping it out with our body armor rear fender step sides and our Christian Ramirez tail light covers. So that's all we've gotten done so far. We've still got things on order that are still being manufactured for us in custom. We've got our custom hood latches that will be coming from Christian Ramirez as well. We've got molly panels. We've got our gas cap cover that'll be custom designed as well, and even more that we're getting ready for Jeep Beach, and we are excited to go.